Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be attempting to correct a mistake that was, well, it's not really a mistake. I guess an incomplete job. So I actually hired someone to do my backsplash for my kitchen, and he did not return to finish the job. So I'm gonna attempt myself to finish it myself. Now this area in the back here, he actually did install the tile, as you can see, and he grouted, but there's some areas in the back that I do need to go over. On this side over here, I just have to, the tile is there, and I just have to install the grout, fill that in, and I have a coffee bar area over on this side, which I'll insert a clip to show you guys that area. Installing this, which is the same tile that's here and runs all the way around there. So this is the tile, as you guys can see. I did purchase this from Home Depot. It's one of those tiles that are actually on a mat itself, so it is real tile. It's like I guess like a marble, really pretty. I had a hard time trying to actually find something to match my floors and then the countertops. It was a mess, but we're here now. So I'm gonna do this attempt, and I figured that I would take you guys along with me. This will be my first time actually doing tile itself. I've done the peel and stick before at my old house, but never actually the tile, real tile itself. So hopefully we'll have a good outcome on this. I'm thinking positive. I do have to mix up the grout. I'll do that, and I'll leave the camera rolling so that you guys can see the steps that I go through to mix up the grout, and then as I'm filling in the areas where it needs to be, and then this area back here, and then it's an area over to the back here where I need to get in really good. But I'll show you guys that close up when I move the camera up. Okay, I'll be back in a second, okay? Guys, I'm trying to mix, but it's not looking too good. A little bit better, maybe? We'll see. I did have to add a little bit more water to get it a little bit more thicker. That way it wasn't sliding all over the place. So, tip, I did learn that. We can clean some of this stuff up now, guys, you know? It's a mess. It's a messy job. Very messy job. Maybe I should explain. So it looks like it's like a small area under there where he didn't go all the way up with the tile, so it's like a big gap under there where you can see, and I really don't like that. And then at the end where it looks like he did stop, it's like big chunks of, I'm assuming that it's grout and mortar that's stuck up under there. I'll put in a clip so that I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So hence the knife. I was gonna see if I could chisel it off. I might have a chisel outside. I would have to check, but since I was already in the kitchen, I'm gonna see if this will work. Okay guys, so this is the area that I was just talking to you about, where I was trying to use the butter knife here to see if I can chisel. If you can see, there's like some of the grout just stuck here and up here, and I'm trying to remove. I've chiseled some of it off so far here, but I'm gonna actually see if I can go into the garage to see if I can find the chisel to use that instead. Also, this is the other area that I was talking about where looks like an eyesore for me, where it looks like he should have went up at least one little row, like put like one towel here, maybe in a towel there, so that it's not so noticeable, because it looks like something's like it's incomplete, something's missing. And then I don't know if you can see that too, it's like a big glob of mortar that I'm gonna try to chisel off as well, and then I'm gonna cut 2 tiles and install those there. But I'll come back and show you guys that. But I won't do that until I do the other side of my breakfast bar. But I'm gonna continue to clean this area, which I was just doing here, wiping down. I've wiped this area. I gotta continue, and then I'll finish the rest as I go around. And then I'm just gonna actually come back to this side and then re-wipe it again. That way I can put my face plates and stuff back on, and then we can get started on the actual tiling of my breakfast bar area here, which I still need to clean out. As you can see, all my stuff I still have, like I have piled in this area where I had along, but this is where it is now. I don't know, you guys tell me about this stuff. I've never used this before, but I've noticed some discoloration on my countertops for my granite. Especially like this area. Normally my kids have like a little toaster oven, and you can see where it normally sits here, and it's a different color from here to here. And then also back here where, you know, of course I cook. So hopefully I'm gonna try that. I've never used it before, so maybe you guys can comment down below, tell me if you've used it, if you like it, if it's a good product. It's not sponsored, but I was gonna give it a try to see, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. I'm gonna do actually all of my countertop areas and see if there's a difference. But I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed. So, all right, I'm gonna get back to work cleaning the rest of this area, and then I'm gonna start back over on this side and clean this again and just work my way back around again. All right, see you in a little bit. Okay, so this is where I am again. I've completed wiping all the way around, and I'm gonna work my way back to this side and do it again. As you can see, it caramelizes again, and then if I could go a little bit closer, it looks like it kind of like hazes up again, and I just have to re-wipe it one more time. Okay, let's get it. Okay guys, so I wiped down the Backsplash 3 times, but it looks like I'm gonna have to wipe it down again. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my face plates for this side, and then I also have to install the face plates for that side as well. Then I can get started over there on the coffee bar. Yeah, okay. See you in a few minutes. Okay guys, I'm back, and I have complete all the face plates for the outlets here and here. I think I did pretty good on grouting. I did go over a couple areas over here as well, and as it goes along this way, and then here we go, and we're done. I'm feeling pretty good. How do you think it looks, guys? Huh? All right, everybody, so I've mixed up my mortar. This is the mix with, I just added water and stirred it. I tried to get it to a pretty thick amount, and let's get started. I'm back and I have completed the grout over here on the area where my coffee bar is, and I think it came out pretty good, with the exception of this little corner here. Looks like it got chipped, or I guess maybe I cut it a little too short, but I'm gonna see if I can fill in a little bit more grout to see if I can make that look a little bit better so that it goes all the way down. I still have to clean this up again. I've wiped it down twice, but you know, it takes a couple wipes before we can actually, you know, call it a day. And then on this end as well, I'm gonna see if I can fill in a little bit grout on this end, because I did notice that as well. I have not still replaced the cover for the electrical socket yet, but I am going to do that. It's really late and I'm tired and I am about over this backsplash, but overall I think I did very well. Let me show you guys the other side. Okay, and this is the other side again that I completed and grouted, and I'm just gonna walk around to show you guys everything. I do plan on doing some under cabinet lighting at a, I guess, later date, but I guess we'll have to see. But yeah, that's it, and I think I am really done for tonight. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for going along with me on this difficult journey. And I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and bye.